Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing that while you were asleep, you made money. Not from stocks, not from crypto, but from something sitting right in your home, your 3D printer. The world of 3D printing is booming, and those who understand how to tap into it are building businesses that generate thousands, even millions, every year. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can turn a simple 3D printer into a money-making machine. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time business, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to print, where to sell, and how to maximize your profits. So, let's get started. 1. The 3D printing revolution. Why now is the best time to start? 3D printing is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, and it's transforming industries. From small businesses to global corporations, everyone is taking advantage of this technology, and so can you. In the past, 3D printing was expensive and complicated, but today, even an entry-level printer can create high-quality products. The best part? The demand for unique, custom-made items is skyrocketing. People are willing to pay a premium for personalized products, prototypes, and solutions that traditional manufacturing can't provide. Right now, we're in a unique moment where the technology is affordable, yet not oversaturated. That means there's still room for newcomers to carve out profitable niches before the market becomes too competitive. If you've been thinking about starting, now is the perfect time. Beyond consumer products, industries like healthcare, automotive, and aerospace are integrating 3D printing into their operations, creating even more opportunities. Companies need skilled individuals to produce specialized parts, and many are willing to outsource this work to small business owners and freelancers. This means you don't even need to sell to individual customers. You can work with established businesses and earn even more. 2. Choosing the right 3D printer for your business. Not all 3D printers are created equal, and choosing the wrong one can make or break your business. The two main types of printers you'll be looking at are FDM, fused deposition modeling, and SLA, stereolithography, printers. FDM printers are more affordable and great for creating durable, functional products like phone stands, home decor, and even mechanical parts. SLA printers, on the other hand, use liquid resin to create highly detailed and smooth products, perfect for jewelry, miniatures, and high-end collectibles. When choosing a printer, consider your budget, the materials you plan to use, and the types of products you want to sell. A good starting point is a reliable FDM printer like the Prusa i33 Malawin Quachas or an SLA printer like the Elegoo Mars. Always research hidden costs like filament, resin, and maintenance to avoid unexpected expenses. Beyond just the printer itself, you need to consider software. Designing your own 3D models with tools like Fusion 360, Blender, or Tinkercad can set you apart from sellers who only print pre-made files. Learning basic design skills allows you to create truly unique products that no one else is offering. 3. Profitable niches. What to print and sell for maximum profit. You might be wondering, what can I actually print that people will buy? The answer lies in solving problems. Successful 3D printing businesses focus on creating products that are useful, unique, and hard to find elsewhere. Some of the most profitable niches include custom home decor, unique lamps, plant holders, wall art. Gaming and cosplay accessories, custom dice, props, costume pieces. Replacement parts, broken appliance parts, car accessories. Personalized gifts, keychains, phone cases, jewelry. For example, one entrepreneur started selling 3D printed cookie cutters with custom designs and turned it into a six-figure business. The key is to find products that are in demand but not easily mass-produced by traditional manufacturers. Another hot market is prosthetics and assistive devices. Many people require custom solutions for medical needs, and 3D printing allows you to create affordable alternatives to expensive medical equipment. This niche requires research and compliance with regulations, but the profit potential is enormous. 4. Custom printing versus mass production. Which one makes more money? Should you focus on custom orders or mass production? Each approach has its advantages. Custom orders allow you to charge higher prices because they are tailored to individual customers. This is great for personalized gifts, wedding decorations, or unique prototypes. However, it can be time-consuming. Mass production, on the other hand, allows you to create products in bulk and sell them repeatedly with minimal effort. Think of creating standardized phone stands, organizers, or toys that you can list on platforms like Etsy or Amazon. A good strategy is to start with custom orders, build a reputation, and then transition into mass production once you know what sells best. Some successful 3D printing businesses even offer a combination, selling popular items in bulk while still taking on high-paying custom jobs. 5. Selling platforms, where to sell your 3D printed products. Selling your prints online is one of the easiest ways to reach customers. The best platforms include Etsy, great for unique, handmade items and personalized products. Amazon, offers huge exposure but requires strict quality control. eBay, works well for niche markets and specialized items. Your own website, gives you full control over branding and profits. Additionally, don't overlook social media. Many successful sellers use Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest to showcase their products, gain followers, and drive sales. Some sellers even take things further by attending local markets and conventions to sell their prints in person. This not only brings in extra revenue but also helps you get direct customer feedback and make connections in your niche. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time? Right now. Every day you wait is another day someone else takes the opportunity you could have seized. The key to success isn't just having a great idea, it's acting on it. Think of this. A year from now, you could be in the same place you are today, still thinking about starting. Or you could have a full-fledged business, making money doing something creative and exciting. The choice is yours. If you found this valuable, check out the pinned comment for exclusive recommendations. And since you stayed until the end, YouTube has selected the best next video for you. It's on screen right now, click it and keep learning.